This is Biggie's daily vlog, and today we're talking about life in America. What is it like to move back to America from Asia? You know, I'm just back in America for about a month and a half, and to be quite honest, it's quite comfortable. It's been a while since I've lived here for this long. Last summer and the summer before, we were traveling all over, and we're meeting family, and this summer I just get to stick at home and really just take care of Minnie C. She's studying really hard right now for her PhD program, and our daily life really just consists of no really set time to wake up or go to sleep. And the first thing I do is I check the clock. Sometimes it's 6 a.m., sometimes it's 7 a.m., sometimes it's 10 a.m. That's pretty cool. I don't have to care about any of that. The next thing I do is I ask Minnie C, hey, what do you want for breakfast? Some rice and some panchan, fried egg maybe, some ham. Nurungji is what we've been having the past few days after we make some rice. Then I start working on my videos. We have several big projects that we've been working on, some interviews and things like that. And one of the cool things that I'm pretty excited about with their channel is I found, after, 5 years, I found some services to make my life easier. So many of these videos I have not put subtitles on just because the headache of going through and putting subtitles on videos is ridiculous. With our interviews, we have these 30-minute interviews, and in the past we have gone through and typed every line and then translated every line and put it all in, and it takes 20 hours, 30 hours, something like that for the subtitle process of a 30-minute video. But I found these cool services that will subtitle in English for $1 a minute, and then I've been using different services to translate some of our videos into Korean and Vietnamese as needed. So I do have several things to talk about, and I would like to do some blogs about them soon. One of the things that I would like to do a blog about tomorrow is we downloaded a bunch of Korean movies. Which ones do I like, and which ones do I not like? And that's what I'm going to talk about tomorrow, is these movies that we've downloaded and watched and some reviews. I have a whole list of movies that I want to see before I go to Korea, because I realize I'm quite behind on Korean movies. What I realized is I had watched several Korean movies when I first lived there in 2011, and the Korean movie industry has just blossomed since then. So several, like the top 10 highest grossing Korean movies and the top 10 movies by attendance in Korea have all been in the past 5 or 6 years. Times I've missed out on watching these videos. So I want to talk about those that I've seen already and those that I want to see. What else have I done? Today we went to the store and we just bought tons and tons of clothes, because even though Korea, I think, has bigger sizes than they used to, it's still very difficult to fit me. I can't find clothes for myself in Korea. So I have to buy them here. So I just bought tons of clothes. It's kind of crazy. We've been watching World Cup games. Yesterday and the day before, we watched the semifinals. Cannot believe Croatia beat England. It was such an exciting game. I decided to root for Croatia. I don't know why. Happy I did, though, because they won. What else can I talk about, Minnie?
I don't know. How about your Lyft or Uber?
Ah, that's right. And in the meantime, to make some extra money, I've done something that I've wanted to do for 3 or 4 years. I've been working as a taxi driver. How exciting. Taxi driver. Ta-da! I'm a Lyft driver!
It's official.
And also Uber. Anyway, so I've given now like over 50 rides, and I have a perfect 5-point star rating, which is pretty exciting. Our car is beautiful as ever, and it's been kind of fun. Actually, the worst drive that I gave was the very first one, and after that I thought, hey, I don't really want to do this. This is our car, this is like our place, and the person was a little bit stinky and left a bit of a smell in our car, and I was like, oh wow. I don't think that I really want to sacrifice the sacredness that is our new car for these $4 or $5 rides. But I got over it, and everyone else has been great. It's been fun. Met some interesting people. A college town has this wide variety of people. It's been pretty fun. I don't make tons of money. It's just whenever I have some free time. But the other day, I did Lyft and Uber combination for, I don't know, 6 hours or so, and I made $75. So it's actually a pretty decent gig. if I go to the store and buy something for the house, I just do Uber or Lyft for an hour afterwards to kind of cut my losses. What else should I talk about, Meanie? I'm getting advice from my co-producer. Anyways, when I look back, as you know, Minnie C did a blog, and she has done 74 videos of these vlogs. That's impressive. I can't imagine doing 74 videos in the time that she did it in less than a year. That's so great. Anyways, the very first one wasn't great either. This is not going to be a great one. Her very first one wasn't great either. Go back and watch it. It's kind of weird. This one's going to be weird. Anyways, you should give it a like anyways, because my goal is to do these every day or every 2 days over the summer, because I'm just looking at a camera. I finally found a good background. I can edit it pretty quick. And what I'd like to do is do a little bit of English and a little bit of Korean. So tomorrow I'm going to do Korean one. Yeah. It's kind of scary. Other than that, I've just been getting my things ready for Korea to move, and now that's down to a month left. Oh my goodness, it's so soon. And most of all, just really enjoying living with Minnie C. Anyway, subscribe below. This is vlog 1. It sucks. It's gonna get better. I swear. I have belief in future progress, and with deliberate practice, I could get better and make better videos for everyone, and all right, my goal is 10 minutes. I don't think anyone's gonna watch 10 minutes, but the reason I want 10 minutes is because if I get a 10-minute video, you know what I get to do? I get to put more ads in the middle of the video, which means I get more money. And even though this is all about you, you're my audience, it's really all about me, because I get money. Money or audience? Which one's more important? There's a philosophical question for YouTube. Ask any YouTube star and they're going to say, money and likes and views and all these wonderful things. This is my only prop. It's the only thing I got. Anyways, what else should I talk about, Minnie? Anyways, ask me any questions. Things that I have good answers for because I'm living them right now is what's it like to move to Korea twice? What's it like to support your PhD spouse as they are working through the struggles of graduate work? Also, ask me about what it's like to live in the North, the Midwest, and the South. I've not lived in the West, so I can't answer that question, but I've lived in... But Minnie C can answer the question! Yay! Also, ask me what it's like to get my second international school job. It was a different process. I have a very successful video about how to get an international school job, and I didn't even use that process to go through this one, and it just kind of happened, which was pretty exciting. Ask me about my fears about working at a brand new school. I'm pretty excited about it, but there's also some things to be scared about. I'm also working for the second time at a boarding school. Working at a boarding school is very fulfilling, but it's a lot of work, and it was a little bit towards burnout, to be quite honest, so that's a little bit nerve-wracking. And last but not least, you can ask me what it's like to live in a house that now has a robot butler. Its name's Wexler. Or, No You Suck. That's a Korean name. No You Suck?
No, you suck.
No You Suck. No You Suck. Or Seok-shiun. Do you get it? Suction. Seok-shiun. Alright, this is Big E, signing out. Have an excellent day. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our Twitter channel. Subscribe to me on Instagram.
Oh, do we have a Twitter channel? What?
I don't know. Just subscribe to all of our stuff. It's going to be great. Don't you know?
I didn't know. Twitter.
As I go through this, I'm getting feedback from Minnie C, and she's maybe laughing at me. It's fine. I deserve it. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Peace, y'all. Take a lift. Need a lift? I'll give you a lift. Hey, look, I'm dressing for Lyft. My trade dress. Look at that.